Hey, what's going on, guys? Welcome back to Terrestrial Tech. Should I call you guys Earthlings? I think so, since this is a Terrestrial Tech video. So we have our own word now, Earthlings. Welcome back, Earthlings, on this Terrestrial Tech. Definitely did not mess that up. Anyways, the main point of this video is an update video, so I want this to be short and simple. I want to start off by saying thank you guys so much for all the support you guys have given me. Like, means a lot. Thank you guys so much. I could have never imagined 102 subscribers so quick. Time flies. I've been away because of my last year of school, as well as I got injured, so that took a big chunk of time. But now I'm back, don't worry. I have a couple of videos coming up, so please stay tuned for that. Just turn on the notifications and you'll obviously be stay tuned. Anyways, until then, peace out.